De-Walt shop vac filter replacement and how to fix a bad smell. What's up, everybody? I got one of these De-Walt shop vacs. I got mine at Cosco. They also sell these online. I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter. First thing you want to do is identify what model you have. It's right here, this number right here. And when you go to buy a new one, say on Amazon, you want to make sure your model number is included in the description right there. I'm going to link it below, and then you can check that out. So here's the one I bought. Of course, it has the same number on it as on the back of the vacuum. And then if you flip it over, you can get like upgraded filters that can filter even more. They have a different number, but they're physically the same. So, you know, that's on the back of the box. So you can check that out if you want. And then these are supposedly supposed to be washable, but every time I wash it, it doesn't really, it just got like, I don't know, I don't like it. It just makes all the dust mold up inside the filter, I feel like. But anyways, I got my new one here. I'm going to show you how to put it on. So there's a twist top on the top. There's a unlock and a lock setting. And it's pretty simple. It's just this thing can rotate. So when you go to take it off, you're going to unlock it and pull it off. So let's go ahead and take this out right here. Open the sides, just kind of wiggle and pull this up. And then it's installed right now. So I'm going to unlock this twist cap. I'm going to switch it to unlock, which is just the lock. And then I'm going to just wiggle and pull it straight off like that. And then I get my new one here. I'm going to push it on as best I can, and then I'm going to rotate the locking knob on top to the lock position. You're going to have to hold like the whole shop vac because the whole thing will want to move if you're trying to do it with one hand like I'm doing, but I just switch it to the lock position. And then if you got it on there good enough, then you're good to go. Just install it back in your shop vac and you have a new filter. Again, I'll link that below. Now let's talk about if you have a bad smell going on. I've vacuumed up quite a bit of things, and mine's got a bad smell even with a new filter. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. Alright, so first get yourself some Clorox wipes. And what I did is I emptied out my shop vac and I cleaned out really well all the way with the Clorox wipes that, you know, kill any germs. And then as well as the top, I cleaned anything off on the top. Anything that'd be causing a bad smell. So I got that cleaned off as best as possible. And then I got something called Ozium. It's like an anti-odor spray stuff. It kills like smells that cause, you know, bad smells or whatever, germs, whatever. So I'm going to spray a little bit in the motor here. Not too much, just a little bit. And then I'll probably just put some, I'm going to spray it kind of like everywhere in the vacuum. This is just how I got rid of my smell. Mine had a really bad smell. I'm going to put some in here. I recommend doing this outside for sure. And then I'm just going to put this on like this right here. And then after I got this installed and I sprayed, you can spray some in the hose as well. And then install the hose. And then what I did is I just went and put it outside and I just let it run for about 4 or 5 minutes. And after a while, got all the smell gone. And that was about it. So anyways, hope this video helped you guys out. And I'll link everything below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make, and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.